everyone. If you're worried about security or just want to change your iPhone's password, you're in the right place. Let's go over how to change it in under 2 minutes. First, grab your iPhone and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode or Touch ID and Passcode, depending upon your iPhone model. Now you'll need to enter your current passcode and get started. Once you're in, scroll down and tap on Change Passcode. Here's where you'll set a new passcode. First, enter your old passcode to confirm. Then you'll be prompted to enter a new 6-digit passcode. You can also choose a 4-digit passcode or a custom alphanumeric code depending on your preference. Once you've entered your new password, confirm it by tapping it again. And that's it, your passcode is now changed. Easy, right? Remember, it's important to choose a passcode that's secure but easy for you to remember. If this video helped, hit the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to